Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you secret tips to get presents in Fish It game on Roblox Christmas update part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we can see that we have mission to exchange 50% at the gift factory, and you can get the present by fishing. You can fish in any spot to get the present, but it's pretty rare. And I'm going to show you the other way to get the present. So guys, you can knock on the door to get the presents. As you can see here, earn presents by going door to door or rarely fishing them at the island. And I'm going to knock the door. Oops, I got candy canes. And yeah, you just need to knock door to door like this, but sometimes you will get nothing. Oh my god, I have nothing for you. Okay, that's okay. Let's move to the next door. There will be a lot of doors that we can knock to get the present. But so far, I just got the candy canes. Again, candy canes. And this one. Oops. Okay, you just need to knock the door, guys, to get the present. Okay, and that's how you can get the present in Fish 8 game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!